Hello everybody, this is Khashir. Welcome to part 5 of game developing with Python and Turtle. So our game is almost ready, and I'm going to add some sound effects and some text on the screen. But before that, let's see what we have so far. Everything works as we expected, but I want to change the player from to circle shape. So let's come here to make it a little bit different than other stuff on our screen. So here square, just change it to circle, save it, and okay, now we have circle player. Cool. And we need to have some wave files. I'm going to add this 3 file in the description box so you can download, and you have to be sure you add them into your folder that you have the code. They have to be in the same folder, or if you want to use some sort of file handling with Python, that's a completely different case, but just for the sake of simplicity, just put it in the same folder. And I'm going to start with walking sound, but before that, just come up on top of the code and under mixer, let's say let's write walk equal mixer dot sound with capital S, and what was my file here? It should be okay, 3 dot wav, and we have to pass it as a string. Alright, and we come down to our player class, and in update, when we are changing the position left, right, up and down, we just call the sound, so it will look like it's making a sound while he's walking or something. So we just need to go here, if self direction equal left, and after self dot go to, just walk dot play, and I have to push it here, walk dot play and parentheses. I'm going to copy this, and it will be same for all these if statements. Okay, now all right. Cool. Okay, what's next? Okay, and the next one will be for grabbing, I think, or for picking. Let's fix the picking. And where is my okay, now let's call it grab equal mixer dot sound, and the file was, I think, was number 4 dot wav, and we go down again to our player class, and let's see where we can apply it. So remember, when we update the position of the goal or target, we can apply the sound exactly in that moment. So I believe it was on our update. So if self position, okay, here self position equal goal position, goal dot update, and then we can say grab dot play, and that's it. So when we now run the game. Let's go and grab that. Oh, a little bit fast. Oh. Okay. It depends on your taste. You can add something else, use another sound. Okay, now that I sound, like I, when they hit him, and there would be up there again, so we go up. Where is my cursor? We go up, and under grab we call it, let's call it impact equal mixer dot sound. What was my file here? Impact dot wav. So sound parentheses impact wav, and we can go down and I show you something that you can do also inside the game update, my game main loop. So remember here, for mob, in all mobs, mob.update, we can write one if statements. I can't talk today so good, so sorry about that. So if player dot position equal mob dot position. Okay, this is our first impact, or I don't know, impact dot play, and we can copy here this and go down and say if player dot position equal mob2 dot position, again impact dot play. Now this is our sound effects: walking, grabbing, and impact. Oh, some of them are very fast happening. So. Alright, now for make it like a game, we need to have some sort of scoring system. In our player class we had score and we had hit, but we need to find a way to write this stuff separately on the screen, because if you want to use the same class to write score and hit, for updating those texts we need to clean the previous text and update the new one. And if we want to use the same class, it's going to clean both of them. I think even when we have different objects from the same class, or I'm not sure, but as I remember, because I wrote this game, I don't know, maybe 1 year ago, and I start to update it a couple of days ago before I add it on Facebook. But anyway, I don't remember, but we can try. So let's write another pen class. I'm going to write it where, under this pen. Doesn't really matter, but I'm going to comment it out. Like this would be for score, and another one should be for hit maybe. And alright, and it will be exactly the same as normal class what we wrote top there. So class, I call it pen3, and turtle very fast forward. I'm going to do it. Define init self, and it will be, let's just copy it. Where is it? Let's just copy everything. Right. Okay, and let's define our font equal Arial, let's say for scoring 18 or 16. Let's make it 18, but everything should be as a string, and we call it writing pen equal pen 3. Okay, let's change this one, pen 3. Okay, and I'm going to copy this, everything, paste it here. It might, we could use the same class, but as I said, I really don't remember. Maybe you can just give it a try, because we are going to use clean method, and as I remember, it could clean everything, every object from the same class. I don't know. Okay, here will be 4, and here will be also 4. In fact, we didn't need square because we're just going to write with this class, but whatever, we can keep it. And other thing that we need to change the position of the pen, because I show you. All right, normally pen is appear even when we don't see the cursor on top left corner where is the player now, but we want to take it out of the grid, the right side, and write score and the hit as a number increasing or whatever. Okay, then we have to change the position in these two class. So I'm going to change the numbers for pen 3. It will be 150 and 280, and another one will be 150 and 200. So these are Cartesian board system, and I think I explained it in another video. So it's a little bit different than the screen coordinates. It's a lot different actually, but anyway. So when we go to our main game loop here, and first go to, we are going to our player class. So in update, every time we catch the target, let me just open up a little bit space here. A little bit space. Okay, every time we catch the target will update to new position, and we have this is not that one. Oh, it's our, where is our update? Where was our, yeah, sorry, here, up there. And we catch the target, it's change the position of the target, is playing the sound, and here we can write something like writing pen, which is our object, dot write self dot score, and font equal font. Okay, then before that, every time we catch it, we have to increase the score. So self dot score plus equal 1. Now I will show you what I meant by saying cleaning the screen. Let's catch the target a couple of times and see if it's going to write. Actually I have to change those shapes. 1. Okay, now when it's going to change it to 2, it's going to write on top of the 1, and because of that there won't be clean number 1 2 3 4 and everything writing on top of each other. Alright, so first of all, what I have to change here, where it was, pen up. Should I have hide turtle? Let's see, I don't remember this part. Self dot hide turtle, something like that. And also shape size and shape, we don't need shape. Also here we don't need shape, and when we don't need shape then we won't see it, but anyway, so that's going to save it. Let's see if those spots go away. What is it? 3 yes, okay, Control S and run the game. Okay. Alright, we get rid of those shapes, but now when I grab one more time, it's writing on top of the previous number. So what we need to do here, we need to clear the previous number. So I'm going down again to my update in player class, and before I write the score, I should say writing pen dot clear. Now we have clean score. Alright. Okay. Now let's do the same thing for hit, when we hit the mobs. And for that I'm going to change the color for pen 4 to red. And let's make the first color blue, same color as our target. And now every time we've been updating on our main game loop. I just do it because I want to show you it's a different way of updating, and there are many different way of writing the same code, so feel free to come up with your own way. Alright, so impact.play, and after we can clean the screen as we know, but we are going to use writing pen 2 if I have it correctly here. Writing pen 3, actually it was writing pen 3, and I think I changed something mistakenly. Pen 2 is black, blue and red. Oh, it's pen 4 actually. Pen 3 is what we use for score. Okay, then writing pen actually should be writing pen, and writing pen 4 equal pen 4, just to separate these variables. Alright, and here writing pen 4 dot clear, and writing pen 4 dot like it was player dot hit, so player dot hit, and font equal font. Alright, but before that we need to increase the player.hit, so player.hit plus equal 1. And it's very easy, we can just copy everything here and no impact play and all 3. Now let's try one more time. Play for oh, okay, there is dot here. Why in the hell I put dot here? Dot clear should be dot writing pen dot clear. So oh, I forgot to write. Huh. That's right game, and here right player. That's right. Okay. Now something wrong. Right T. Okay, typo. All right. Where is it? Okay, but the color is still black. Then what was the color if I changed to red? Might be something. I changed something else. So pen 2, pen 3, and pen 4. Fill color. Alright, fill color. There is no fill color here, so it should change it to pen color. Pen color. Also going to change this one to pen color. Now we should have red. Yep. And also this should okay, cool. Alright, now let me show you the original game, and I will give you some sort of coding challenge which is not that hard. Alright, one more time. Wait. One more time. You see? Get ready. Good luck. Some sort of intro. And also the speed of the game here is a little bit slow. And the game over for the end of the game. And destroying the box or destroying the screen, whatever. So this will be for you to figure it out, and if you could find a way that I think you would, please let me know in description and in the comment. And if you have any question, just leave a comment and ask me. If I can, I really would answer you if I could find time or whatever. So that would be it. And if you like my tutorials, please subscribe. If you have some special idea or any suggestion, just let me know, and see you guys in next video. Thanks for watching.